Foam tank and water tank. A polypropylene booster tank with the capacity of 1,000 gallons is installed on the Fire Apparatus. The tank is mounted on hard rubber cushions to isolate the tank from road shock and vibration. The water tank can be filled by an external source through the water fill tower located on the top of the vehicle. Maximum fill rate is 1,000 G.P.M or 3,800 L.P.M. There are two standard tank openings, one for the tank to pump suction lines with an anti-swirl plate and one for a tank fill line. The tank overflow is 4-inch diameter and dumps behind the rear wheels to permit maximum traction. A polypropylene foam tank with the capacity of 1,000 gallons is integrated into the booster tank. The foam tank may be filled from fill tower on top of the vehicle or by using foam fill port on the left side of the vehicle. Do not exceed the specified inlet pressure and/or maximum fill rate. Pressure vacuum vent is mounted on the foam tank to prevent free exchange of air and humidity. When the foam pump is working and the tank foam level drops, the pressure vacuum vent enters the required amount of air into the tank to prevent a vacuum. To maintain quality, the foam should not be in contact with free air continuously. There are two level gauge on the right panel to show the level of foam tank and water tank. The tower has a hinged cover and 1.4-inch thick polypropylene screen